Yeah, guys, what's up? My name is Olakunle, and I'm very happy to have you at this moment. Let me share something with you. This is a truth that is very difficult for some people to accept, a truth that some people find so difficult to accept. And what is this truth? Some people are better than you. And I mean that some people are better than you. I mean, they are better than you materially, spiritually, physically, academically, in business, in profession, in every sphere of life. Okay, they are better than you. Okay, you just have to admit that. All right, they are not better than you because God chose them differently or God prefer them over you. No, they're not better than you because God decided to choose them separately and lift them more than you. No, it's because they have engaged in a lot of works. Okay, they've worked hard, they've prayed hard, they've done a lot of studies, they've done a lot of research. They've engaged themselves in a lot of disciplines that you have not. All right, and they are where they are today. And another bitter truth is this: there are some people you can never overtake in life. Yes, overtaking is allowed, though. Okay, but there are some people in this life you can never overtake. You see, there are some people in business who can never get to the level of Dangote. There are some people in technology who can never get to the level of Elon Musk. You see, there are some people you can ever overtake in life. It is not because you are a failure or you are not doing enough. No matter how hard you work, no matter how much you work so hard, you can never achieve. Now, what am I bringing out? Instead of you creating competition with such people, why don't you just make friendship with them? Instead of creating enmity with them, why don't you just create friendship with them? Why don't you just learn from them? Some of you just create unnecessary competition with people who have gone ahead of you. It doesn't make sense. No matter how hard you work, you can never get to some people's level. It's not a curse. It's not an unbelief. It's not a hopelessness or a hopeless expression of belief. No. It's just the truth that you can't just step aside. You can keep it aside. It's just the truth. There are some people in life you can never achieve what they have achieved. You can never get to their level. You'll be successful in your own way, but you can never get to the level they have got to. They have achieved. Okay, so instead of creating enmity with those people, instead of creating competition with those people, why don't you just humble yourself and learn from them? I just feel I should share this with people. I've seen a lot of things happening around me these days, and I'm like, oh, bro, why? Like, why are you trying to compete with this person? Why are you trying to overtake this person? Why are you trying to be better than this person? Why don't you just do your thing? Okay, just do your thing. All right, there's some people are better, like they are better. Okay, let me use that UK British English. They are better than you. But the truth is, you can also achieve. The most important thing in life is you get to a level where you have comfort. Okay, you enjoy comfort. You can afford what you want to afford. Okay, you're able to take care of your family, take care of yourself, take care of people around you. You don't have to become as rich or as wealthy as Elon Musk. You don't have to become as rich or as wealthy as Dangote or as wealthy as Bill Gates or as wealthy as Bezel or other people. You just work to that level of satisfaction where you are comfortable. You don't have to beg people to leave. You don't have to borrow from people to live in life. Just you know that you're working and the work of your hand is giving you something. But stop trying to create competition with people. Okay, just do your thing your own way. Just flow. Just flow. You'll be fine, bro. All right. I hope that works. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I want my YouTube channel to grow. You people should encourage me. Oh, I beg. Thank you so much. I love you.